As a healthcare provider, you understand that your patients' financial concerns shouldn't be a barrier to accessing quality care. Partnering with CarePayment allows you to prioritize patients' well-being while maintaining your responsibility to optimize collections. With CarePayment, patients pay their balance in small monthly payments at 0% APR. We never charge interest, no application is required, and there's no impact on a patient's credit score. Becoming a CarePayment member is easy for patients. All patients have to do is either tell a staff member they need a payment plan, or they may receive payment plan information in the mail from CarePayment if they've been non-responsive to other collection efforts. Either way, they make their first payment and they're a member. Here's more information on how it works. First, patients let you know they're interested in a payment plan, or the patient has been unresponsive to your own collection efforts and you want to proactively offer them the program. You send the patient's balance information to CarePayment. Next, CarePayment will send the patient a Welcome to CarePayment kit. This kit includes a letter from you and CarePayment telling patients about the benefits of the program and includes their first statement, which shows what their low monthly payment will be if they use CarePayment. After patients make their first payment, they are enrolled in the CarePayment program. Remember, no application required, no impact to credit score, and no interest is ever charged. Once patients are enrolled, it's easy to manage their secure account. Patients can fully manage their account online through the CarePayment member portal and set up their preferred payment methods, including text-to-pay. Patients can also contact CarePayment customer support via our 24/7 automated helpline or through our compassionate in-house call center to help with any questions or transactions. As a CarePayment member, patients can also add balances to their account, even before the original balance is paid in full. And we will extend their term if needed to maintain an affordable monthly amount due. Remember, CarePayment is a patient-friendly financing option that helps patients receive care without worrying about how they will afford their balances due. With easy enrollment, zero interest, and multiple payment method options, CarePayment is your innovative solution to driving cash and improving your financial health.